I've created a Go in Simple Steps folder somewhere on my computer, and I've opened this folder in Visual Studio Code. I've also created a main file in this folder, and I've added these lines of code to the main file. If you've ever programmed in another language that requires you to add a semicolon at the end of a statement, you'd be surprised that in Go, we don't end statements with semicolon. That's because the Go compiler does this for us automatically, so we developers don't have to do it. Also, Go files end with the Go extension, just like we have main.go. So let's say I wanted to create another file, maybe a hello file in this folder. I would do something like this, hello.go. And this would be a valid Go file. But let's just get rid of this because we're not going to work with it and return back to main. Okay, so the structure of a Go file is very simple to understand. Every Go file begins with a package declaration. You can think of a package as a container that has functions which perform specific tasks. So to declare a package, you begin with the package keyword, followed by the name of the package. In our file, the name of our package is main. The next statement in a Go file is the import statement. The import statement basically brings in other packages your file needs to work properly. And to declare the import statement, you begin with the import keyword, followed by the name of the package you're importing. And now this name has to be in double quotes. For our example, we are importing the filmed package. The filmed package is an inbuilt Go package that reads and writes formatted strings. Oftentimes, you would find yourself importing more than one package, and for that, Go has an alternative syntax. So let's say that we're writing Go code and we need to import the filmed package and the time package. To do that, we would use the alternative syntax, import, open parenthesis, go to the next line, and then import the filmed package, and beneath that, import the time package. And that would be it. We've just imported two packages in our Go file. But let's just undo these changes and go back to how things used to be because we're only working with the filmed package for this tutorial. The next statement is the function statement. Now, functions in Go always begin with a func keyword followed by the name of the function, and then we have our parentheses and then the code block. For our file, we have a main function. Now, the main function in Go is very special because when you run a Go file, execution begins from the main function. So this makes the main function in Go very special. But again, you can have functions with different names and they would be valid as well. Now, inside our main function, I've declared a statement. And what this statement does is it just prints out Go in simple steps to the standard output using the printline function. But I didn't write the printline function, so how is it possible for me to use the printline function to print out this string? I'm only able to do this because I've imported the package, the filmed package. Remember, a package is like a container that contains functions which do specific tasks. So in this case, I've imported the filmed package, and then I'm calling the print line function, which is inside the filmed package. So anytime you need to call a function that is in an imported package, you start by declaring the name of the package which you've imported, followed by a period, and then the name of the function you want to execute. So if we run this Go file, we should have Go in simple steps as our output. And yes, that's it. Very simple.